Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can craft and send a new message or email through your inbox connected with your Thunderbird account. So let us guide you through this. Launch the Thunderbird application and make sure that you're logged in with your connected email address. If you haven't connected any email address yet guys, simply click into these three lines in the top right, select new account and select email here, and after that simply use that login form here, for example, to connect your email address. Enter your username here, the email address on the next page here or in that field. Click into continue, and on the next page you will get asked to log into your email address and your email account to connect it, to give the permission. And in some cases you might also receive, for instance, a verification code to the associated email address to verify that is really you trying to connect your both accounts. So once it's done guys, you will see the connected email address here in the top left corner. So what you want to do is simply click into that new message button here to compose a new message, and after that this window will pop up for you. Check if you see the correct email address here at the top as your sender address. You may add a CC or BCC here, the recipient's email address here, the subject, and simply click into the text field here, type in your message, and that's basically it. After that, click into send here in the top left corner to send the message to the recipient, and that's all to it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.